Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to list Linux users with different options. Chapter 1. List Linux users using file. To start, open the terminal. Then, you are going to execute the command les on the screen to see the users that are registered in the file, etc. You can view only the first field of the file by using the cut screen command. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 2. List Linux users by checking availability. To begin, we open the terminal. Use the screen command Getent password indicating the user to see if it is available or not in Linux. To access that user's login details, you're going to run the screen command we used earlier with the user's name. If you want to know how many user accounts exist in Linux, you have to use the command with the syntax that is executed on screen. Chapter 3. List Linux users using Getent. To start, open the terminal. Run the command on the screen to access the users and their details. If we want to observe only the first field of this file but not all the information, you are going to execute the command on the screen. Chapter 4. List Linux users by checking types. To begin, we open the terminal. Now we are going to run the grep screen command to list the users by their UID. Afterwards, it is possible to see the users using a range of UID with the screen command. To see all the users, we are going to execute the command on the screen evil getent password. If you only want to see the username, we can use the command you see on the screen. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.